One of the greatest challenges of our times is climate change. Today, it poses a profound threat to the very foundations of human society. Addressing this crisis requires collective effort and a commitment to innovate solutions that mitigate its adverse impacts. With this urgent motivation, we are delighted to present a focused online cutting-edge workshop on sustainable finance. This workshop will be jointly led by two instructors, namely myself, Professor Siddhartha Pratim Chakrabarty, and my colleague Dr. Dipankar Mandal. Together, we will explore how financial systems and innovative instruments can be harnessed to build a more sustainable and resilient future.
You might be wondering, who is this course designed for? The answer is, irrespective of your domain, you are welcome to attend. This workshop is meant to bring together a diverse group of participants united by the common goal of addressing climate change through sustainable finance. In particular, the workshop will be highly beneficial for students who aspire to build a career in sustainable finance or who are already working in related areas. Secondly, researchers interested in exploring fields such as climate financial risk, climate modeling and sustainability. Third, finance and banking professionals seeking to engage in climate risk modeling, sustainability risk assessment, ESG reporting and related domains. Fourth, policymakers and regulators who play a pivotal role in steering our economy towards a greener and more sustainable future.
You may now be wondering as to exactly what will be covered in this online workshop. This program is carefully designed around three comprehensive modules. The first module would act as a primer on climate change, wherein we look at the understanding, the science and urgency of climate change. This will be followed by the examination of the role of the Conference of Parties COP in formulating and implementing global mitigation efforts. And finally, we take into consideration the uncertainties that are introduced into the financial sector as a direct consequence of climate change. This will be followed by module 2, where we introduce climate economics. We begin by exploring the climate change policies and their economic implications. Then we have a detailed focus on emission trading schemes and the concept of carbon credits. Finally, we lay a special emphasis on the concept of carbon market in India, its opportunities and its challenges. Finally, in the third and concluding module, we look at the financial implications of climate risk. We begin by investigating the financial risk associated with climate change. Then we devote ourselves to understanding the challenges of transitioning into a low carbon economy. Exploring ESG, that is environmental, social and governance considerations in sustainable finance, is going to be the next on the agenda. And the final topic of this module would be examining critical concepts such as stranded assets and carbon bubbles. By the end of the workshop, participants will gain a strong foundation to the theory, policies and financial dimensions of climate change, equipping them to address sustainability challenges in the respective domains.
A natural question is, what are the key benefits of participating in this workshop? We highlight 4 major takeaways. First, understanding the climate finance nexus, where you will gain a deep understanding of how climate change intersect with finance, how sustainable finance can transform our economy from brown to green. Second, mastering practical tools for risk management. Here, you will develop knowledge of quantitative risk, climate risk modeling and other cutting edge tools that are shaping the future of financial risk management. Third, timely relevance to the job market. Here, you will equip yourself for the rapidly growing demand for professionals in sustainability and climate finance, an area that is creating new high impact career opportunity. And the fourth, career advancement in climate and sustainability. For those who are already working in this field, this workshop will provide an opportunity to deepen expertise, sharpen skill and accelerated career growth in the sustainability sector.
We are excited to share the details of our upcoming workshop on fundamentals of sustainable finance. The workshop will be held on Saturday, 8th of November 2025 in 2 online sessions. The morning session is going to be from 10 a.m. to 1 p.m. and the afternoon session will be from 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. If you would like to register for the workshop, please visit the online skilling and education portal of IIT Guwahati. We look forward to your participation and an engaging learning experience. Thank you.